Good morning, everybody. It is, what's today? August 20th, 21st, something like that. We are at 134 Seclusion, Panama City Beach, in a little shed in the back. Rick Watson is here, getting ready to pull some bees out. You can see the bees that have formed a hive under the floor of this shed. So they're going to be right down in here. Got a little area cleared out, and I'm going to start demoing out this floor. We'll see how big of a hive we had, so hold tight.
Yep, there's one. Cut so close to the edge, make it more difficult. Wait a minute, I gotta know. Come up on this side.
Oh man, I see the comb. Yeah, you might want to come back with your cutter and just cut it off right there.
Might have to. Might have to. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good.
Well, you got one of them. Okay. Well, we know one thing.
Look at there. That's what we're talking about.
Well, now see what I was talking about them going up underneath?
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to show you something too. They don't go too far because this is an end one.
Okay.
It goes about to right there.
All right.
Okay. Rusty, I don't want you to get eat up. Well, I don't think you will. That's the thing. They seem pretty docile.
My.
Yeah, let me crawl out here.
Rusty says, this time.
Yeah, that's an older one. But y'all are being good as gold. If I can prop it up a little bit better.
Man, that thing is just loaded.
How do you
wow. Man, we got a good hive here.
Yeah.
Drywall over here.
Got a little bit of comb starting to fall.
And that, boys and girls, is what a wild beehive looks like. a heap of bees in there.